Hi guys, this is Neha. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. You guys seem to have loved the makeup that I had on for my eyebrow tutorial. It's the one right here. And you guys asked me to do a tutorial on it. It's a super simple look that I literally just threw on, and so here it is, perfect for an everyday simple look. So I've already gone ahead and I've moisturized my face. You guys know how important that is, and I stress this in every single one of my videos. I have been in love with a new drugstore, my first ever drugstore foundation that I used. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation, and I'm using the color 230. Honestly guys, it is like so great. Like for an everyday foundation, it was only I think like $6 or $7, and it's been like a winner. I think I've been using this more versus like my high-end Sephora bought foundations. You can go as heavy-handed or as light-handed as you like, but just make sure to blend. After I'm happy with my coverage, I go in with the NYX Dark Circle Concealer in the color medium. I only use it as a color corrector, and it's a really nice and sheer product. It has, I think, like coconut oil in it, so it's very hydrating for under your eyes. The only downside with it is like, for me, it's a little bit too orangey, so that's why I only like using it as a color corrector. And it's very sheer, so the more you put on and the more you kind of work the product into your skin, you're almost kind of taking it off. So I kind of just like to place it on and not really mess with it afterwards. And I just very lightly blend it out. Then I go in with my another favorite drugstore find. I know this has been like around for a really long time, and a lot of beauty bloggers and makeup artists love this, but it's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser for dark circles. Again, it's a very sheer product, and I think it's fabulous for an everyday use, and I just think it's like a really great concealer in general. Like, I think I was very skeptical about using drugstore products, but Maybelline has kind of really making me into like a believer in terms of using drugstore products for like foundations and concealers. To mention it, but in this I'm using the color Light. It does a good job of like highlighting underneath my eyes. I just love the blendability of this concealer. It's so good, and it feels so light. And you can definitely layer it on if you like a more full coverage look. And really nicely make sure to blend it out with your foundation. Blend. Then the next thing I do is I go in with a translucent powder. I use a Laura Mercier translucent powder. You guys already know I use it in like every single one of my videos. And now with my wet beauty blender, I just dip it in and grab some product on that and just set my under eyes with it. Because I'm going to be using that concealer as my eyeshadow primer today, I'm just going to do the same thing on my eyelids. And then I just set the rest of my face with that same translucent powder, but I don't bake. I use a brush because I like a more natural look. Okay guys, so for today's look, I wanted to keep it like easy because, you know, I do intend for this to be like a quick minimalistic product look for you guys. And so I have been using this palette. It's the Too Faced Boss Lady Agenda palette, but it has 24 shadows. Look at the variety of colors you get in there. And on top of that, you get a beautiful highlighter, which is I think right now one of my favorite highlighters. It's called #Blessed. A blush, which is Will You Marry Me, and the Chocolate Sully bronzer. And again, I use the chocolate bronzer in literally every single one of my videos. So you can just imagine how handy dandy of a palette this is for me. It's just like my one like product that I go to for everything. So I used the combination of Love Actually, which is this color right here. It's like a matte dusty rose pink. And then in my crease, I use this Deck the Malls color. It's right here. It's like a purpley grayish. They're both matte finishes. So what I did was I took that dusty rose pink and just on a brush, I just sweeped it on my lid. just to give my eyelids a little bit of a wash of a color. Keep in mind, if you want more of like a sheer finish, you want to swipe. If you want a more pigmented, bold look, you pat. Now, next thing I did was I took that Deck the Malls grayish purplish color and I just blended out that pink, only really to give myself a little bit more definition in the crease. And then with my ring finger, I took this champagne-y color called Halo, and I just patted it very lightly in the center of my eyes, and without taking any extra product on the blush that I put on that pinkish color with, and I just blended it out. So you get a little bit of, just a little bit of shine right on the center. And the next thing is that I just gave myself a very thin, winged out liner. And that's it for eyes. Just go ahead, curl your lashes and put on some mascara. Then I go in with the voluminous Miss Mango Rock. I really don't like this mascara by itself. I think it thins out the lashes too much and it makes it look like you are bald. But I really love it layering it on top of the Better Than Sex. You get the volume and the thickness that you would want from a mascara from the Better Than Sex. And then the Miss Mango Rock does a really good job of lengthening the lashes and giving you that doll-like look that you would want. And I don't do any mascara on my bottom lashes. I just want to keep my eyes looking wide open and awake. And that's it for the eyes. I'm just going to go in and finish off my brows. For my in-depth brow tutorial, I'm going to leave the link down below. Please make sure to go check it out, how to get the perfect brows. I'm just going to go in and I'm going to use my handy dandy palette again and bronze, blush, and highlight. And just finish it off with your favorite nude color. I am obsessed with the Too Faced Melted Matte. Do you guys realize how much I endorse Too Faced? Like, literally every single one of my products is from this damn brand. This is the color Sellout. And that is it. Very super simple look. You can wear it on a daily basis, going out. I think it's just very fresh and you just look like you just woke up and it looks beautiful. And that's it. Let me know what you guys think and what more looks you guys would like to see from me. And if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I think that's it. That's all like on the checklist for today. And until next time, guys.